Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you Britney Spears Loot Crate while I do my makeup, but first I want to show you what I got in my second box of Britney Spears Loot Crate. This is the card, what it looks like, very cute. So first it's another cup. I know they're taking forever to ship, but I'm excited to get my second cup. And it has Britney Spears. It's red with it's like a chrome type of red. And I'm not that innocent. Super cute cup. I love these cups. I haven't used my first one yet, but I'm excited. And here is the shirt for this box. And it's a medium. So it said it was going to come with 2 things. Instead it came with 4 things, but here was the main 2 things. Oh wow, this is like a nighttime shirt for sure. And this is Britney Spears Oops, I Did It Again shirt, which is nice. It is really thin quality, but really nice for like bedtime. And then this is like where she I guess did her tour in 2000. So that is cool. And it's a long sleeve shirt, which is nice. Might wear that around winter time. And we have 2 more things in the box. This is what the box looks like inside, which is really cute. And then 2 more things came in. I wish there were prices. Here's the bottom of the box. Britney Spears. And this is really cute. I was excited for this 4-pack vinyl. What are these called? These are vinyl coasters. You get 4 of them. So we got Don't Let Me Be the Last to Know. This is what the back looks like in the front. This is Stronger. These are really nice. Again, here's the back and front. And Lucky. And we have Oops, I Did It Again. So those are the 4 coasters. And we got exclusive, they're all exclusive, silk pillowcase set. So you get 2 in a set, and that's what it looks like. Oops, I did it again. Oops. You think I'm in love. Oh wow. That's funny. And then the back of it, really nice and silky. I don't know if I would wear these. And here's the second one. Says, I'm not that innocent. Super cute. And again, the back. That is my Loot Crate. And I think I'll post this and then do my makeup. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.